Hi there, welcome to my channel. The place where every recipe comes with a hint of fun. Today I'm going to teach you a recipe that will transform your meals, the classic and irresistible meatloaf. An option that combines flavor, simplicity and practicality. So stay with me until the end. To get started, gather all the ingredients on the kitchen counter. Make sure everything is within reach, as this will make the preparation process smooth and enjoyable. Ingredients: 500 grams or 18 ounces ground beef, half cup breadcrumbs, half chopped onion, 2 cloves of garlic, chopped, 1 egg, 3 tablespoons of ketchup, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chopped parsley. Start by finely chopping the onions and parsley. Take your time to cut them as evenly as possible, as this will ensure the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the meatloaf. In a large bowl, mix the ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs, minced garlic, chopped onion and parsley. Add the seasonings, measuring them according to your taste preferences. Mix everything carefully, either with a sturdy wooden spoon or your hands, until the ingredients are evenly incorporated into a cohesive mixture. Then, shape the meat mixture onto a baking tray lined with parchment paper. This step is crucial to giving the meatloaf its classic shape, so take your time to carefully shape it. The cake batter should be firm, but not too compact, as this will ensure a moist texture after baking. Prepare the glaze by mixing ketchup and mustard in a small bowl. Mix the two ingredients until they combine into a smooth, glossy sauce. This simple glaze will add a sweet and tangy layer of flavor to the meatloaf. Using a spoon, spread the glaze evenly over the surface of the meatloaf. Make sure to coat the entire top and sides, creating a rich, flavorful topping. This step not only enhances the flavor, but also gives the meatloaf its signature caramelized finish. Preheat your oven. The ideal temperature for baking meatloaf is 356 degrees Fahrenheit. And the average cooking time is 50 to 60 minutes. Cover with aluminum foil for the first 30 minutes to prevent the surface from burning before the inside is completely cooked. Remove the paper for the last 15 to 20 minutes to ensure a golden, caramelized top. Keep an eye on the edges, which should be golden brown, signaling that the meatloaf is cooking to perfection. Once the meatloaf is completely baked, carefully remove it from the oven and let it rest. Letting it sit for a few minutes helps the juices redistribute, ensuring each slice is moist and flavorful. Arrange the slices neatly on a platter, ready to be paired with your favorite sides. For the final presentation, place a slice of meatloaf alongside creamy mashed potatoes and sautéed green beans. Garnish the dish with a sprinkling of freshly chopped parsley for a touch of color and freshness. Don't forget to like the video, share with anyone you think will like this recipe and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any news. See you in the next video. And don't forget, the kitchen is where the magic happens.